So we're asked in this question to do a comparative bar chart for the information in the table. Now a comparative bar chart is just a normal bar chart, but with this question we have two variables. We've got males and we've got females. So we're going to show that information just all on one bar chart. First thing to do is do a key. So how are we going to tell the difference between males and females? Well, I'm going to leave males blank and I'm going to shade in females. And the key is really important to show. Don't do any elaborate sort of spots or dots or anything, just have one unshaded and one shaded. Let's keep it simple. Okay, let's have a look at what the scale is going to be. So is it going up in 1? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's not. Let's check 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18 and 20. Brilliant. Okay, so we're going to put the males on first. And so, where is it? It goes up to 12. So let's put a bar up to 12. And that's going to be our males. And females goes up to 14. So I can extend that line a little bit for the females. And that's for 1991. So I'm going to shade in the females. Perfect. So that's those two done. Okay, 1992. The males goes up to 14. And the females goes up to 6. So let's draw that. And let's shade in the females. And the last one, so let's cross that out so we know we've done it. And the last one, the males goes up to 8 in 1993, which is about there. And the females goes up to 16. And it's shading the females. Now there's no need to write on the bars males and females, there's no need to write anywhere else. With the key we've got at the bottom, that's full marks.